Dubai, a city of glittering skyscrapers, pristine beaches, and world-class shopping, is often associated with opulence and extravagance. But what if I told you that experiencing the luxury of Dubai doesn't have to break the bank? With a bit of smart planning, savvy spending, and an eye for the best deals, I managed to enjoy all the glamour of this dynamic city without blowing my budget. Here's how I did Dubai in style, indulging in its luxuries while staying budget conscious. Affordable luxury starts here. I arrived in Dubai brimming with excitement, and my first win was finding a budget-friendly but luxurious place to stay. I opted for a boutique hotel slightly outside the city center, offering 5-star amenities at a fraction of the cost of the big-name resorts. With stunning views of the Dubai skyline and impeccable service, it felt like a splurge without the hefty price tag. After settling in, I headed straight to Dubai Marina, a chic waterfront district. Strolling along the Marina Promenade, I admired the luxury yachts and glittering skyscrapers. Dinner was at a stylish mid-range restaurant offering a waterfront view. For under $20, I enjoyed a delicious Arabic meze platter that felt like pure indulgence. Skyscrapers and savings. No trip to Dubai is complete without seeing its iconic landmarks, starting with the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Instead of splurging on a premium ticket for sunset views, I booked an early morning slot, which was significantly cheaper and less crowded. From the observation deck, I enjoyed breathtaking views of the city stretching into the desert and the Persian Gulf. Next, I visited the Dubai Mall, not just for shopping, but for its incredible attractions. From the massive indoor Dubai Aquarium to the fountain show outside, the mall offers plenty of free and affordable experiences. For lunch, I grabbed a bite at the food court, which serves a range of international cuisines, perfect for a traveler on a budget. In the evening, I ventured to the Souk al-Bahar, a modern take on a traditional Arabic market, located right next to the Dubai Fountain. The views of the illuminated Burj Khalifa from here were nothing short of magical. Desert luxury for less. A Dubai trip isn't complete without experiencing the desert. I booked an affordable desert safari package through a group deal, which included dune bashing, camel riding, and a sunset BBQ dinner under the stars. The experience was luxurious yet surprisingly budget-friendly. The golden dunes at sunset were a sight to behold, and the traditional Arabian-style camp provided a feast of grilled meats, salads, and desserts. The highlight of the evening was a mesmerizing belly dance performance, accompanied by live Arabic music, culture, and gold on a budget. On my fourth day, I set out to explore Dubai's cultural side. A ride on the traditional Abra water taxi, which costs just a few dirhams, took me across Dubai Creek to the historic district of Al Fahidi. Walking through its narrow alleys, I discovered charming museums, art galleries, and traditional wind tower architecture, all for free or minimal entry fees. The Gold Souk and Spice Souk were next on my itinerary. While I wasn't buying gold, browsing the glittering displays of jewelry was an experience in itself. At the spice market, I picked up some saffron and aromatic spices, negotiating for great deals, a skill that's both fun and essential in Dubai's traditional markets. Beach bliss and affordable relaxation. Dubai's pristine beaches are one of its greatest luxuries, and many of them are free. I spent the morning at GBR Beach, enjoying the sun, sea, and stunning skyline views. For a touch of luxury, I rented a lounger at a beach club, which provided access to their pool and facilities at a reasonable day pass rate. In the afternoon, I explored La Mer, a trendy beachfront area with colorful street art, boutique shops, and cafes. I treated myself to a refreshing acai bowl and lounged by the beach while soaking in the chic yet relaxed vibe. As a fitting end to my trip, I booked a Though cruise dinner along Dubai Creek. For under $50, I enjoyed a buffet of international dishes while cruising past Dubai's glittering skyline. The soft breeze, live music, and beautiful views made it feel like a truly lavish experience. Dubai Miracle Garden. A kaleidoscope of color in the middle of the desert, the Dubai Miracle Garden is a must-visit for nature lovers and Instagram enthusiasts alike. As the world's largest natural flower garden, it features over 150 million flowers arranged in intricate designs and structures. From life-sized floral castles and heart-shaped arches to massive sculptures like the Emirates A380 plane completely covered in flowers, every corner of this garden feels magical. Seasonal displays ensure there's always something new to see, making it a great spot for repeat visits. For families, kids will love the Disney Avenue, which features a towering Mickey Mouse floral sculpture. Plan your visit in the cooler months, as the garden is open only from November to April. Global Village, a vibrant cultural extravaganza. Global Village is a one-of-a-kind attraction that combines shopping, entertainment, and cultural experiences from around the world. Located on the outskirts of Dubai, this seasonal destination transforms into a bustling hub, with pavilions representing more than 80 countries, each offering authentic goods, food, and performances unique to their region. Visitors can sample cuisines from across the globe, from Turkish baklava and Japanese sushi to Indian curries and Emirati sweets. The shopping experience is just as diverse, with stalls selling everything from Moroccan lamps and Persian carpets to African crafts and Russian dolls. In addition to its cultural displays, Global Village features live performances, including concerts, acrobatics, and traditional dance shows. Thrill seekers will love the Carnival, a fun fair packed with rides and games, while families can enjoy the many themed shows and events held throughout the season. Open from October to April, Global Village offers a rich, budget-friendly experience that showcases the world in one place. Dubai Creek and Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. For a glimpse into Dubai's past, a visit to Dubai Creek and the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood is a must. Unlike the city's modern skyscrapers and glitz, this area offers a look at the simpler, traditional side of Dubai. Start with a ride on an Aber water taxi, an iconic and affordable way to cross Dubai Creek. The creek is the historic lifeline of the city, where trading boats still dock, offering a lively atmosphere and stunning views. On the other side of the creek lies the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, one of the oldest areas in Dubai. Wander through its narrow alleyways, admire the wind tower architecture, and explore the many museums and art galleries housed in traditional buildings. The Dubai Museum, located in Al Fahidi Fort, provides an excellent overview of the city's transformation from a fishing village to a global metropolis. Nearby, the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding offers tours and traditional Emirati meals, allowing visitors to learn more about local culture and customs. This area is perfect for those looking to experience Dubai's rich history and authenticity, making it a memorable addition to any trip. Dubai proved that luxury doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. By planning strategically and embracing a mix of high-end and budget-friendly experiences, I was able to explore this glamorous city in style without overspending. Whether it's enjoying the view from the top of the Burj Khalifa, dining under the stars in the desert, or lounging on pristine beaches, Dubai offers plenty of ways to feel like royalty, even on a budget. If you've been dreaming of visiting this dazzling city, know that luxury is within your reach.